Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get answers from a locked Google form. A locked Google form usually restricts editing or submission to specific users. This often applies within a certain organization or with restricted access. Even if the form is locked for editing, you can still view submitted answers. This applies if you are the form owner or have been granted access. To check responses, open the Google form and click on the Responses tab. You will see the total number of responses at the top. You can view individual responses by clicking on the Individuals option. Here you will see the number of responses and a summary of questions and answers. You may also see the correct answers if you are the owner or have permission. You can view response counts and summaries for each question. These are displayed using charts and graphs. This method allows form owners and collaborators to track and analyze results. It also maintains the security of the locked form. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.